That's right, Rufus. We really do. We have a special guest today. Would you like to meet our new guest?
Yes. Bring him on. Polly want a cracker? Hello, Elias.
Hello, Polly.
Today, we're going to learn about the P sound. And I especially like the P sound because parrot starts with P. And Polly starts with P. Take it away, Miss Melissa.
You're Polly, too.
That's right. Thank you, Polly.
You're Polly and you're a parrot.
That's right.
You're
Polly,
Polly
the parrot, starts with the sound P. Can you make that sound with us?
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
You use your lips to make a popping sound.
Pop, pop.
You can also put your hand right here to feel the breath. Do you feel that popping breath?
I feel it. I love it. Polly want a cracker? Look.
Look at this, Polly. Look what Polly found.
Polly found
It's a pea pod.
Let's open it up.
Let's open it up. What's inside?
It's a pea. It's peas that have faces.
Peas that have faces? There's 2 peas in a pod.
They have faces.
I found something else, too.
What did you find, Polly? Look what Polly found. Ooh, some
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
popcorn is delicious. It's one of my favorite snacks. Nom, 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 nom. And you know what else? What's this?
Pillow.
It's a purple pillow. And one more thing, baby Luke. Look what baby Luke was sitting nearby. Oh,
A blanket.
a blanket with what on it?
Pirates.
Pirates.
Ding, 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 ding.
Thanks for joining us today.
Polly want a cracker? Thanks for joining us. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.